Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Want to convert your Windows drive from MBR to GPT without reinstalling Windows or losing your operating system? In this video, I'll show you the official command prompt method to convert an existing Windows 10 or Windows 11 installation from MBR to GPT. We'll also fix the most common error that says your disk layout isn't supported because it has too many partitions. Let's get started. First, open Disk Management. Here you can see the partitions on the Windows drive. The MBR2GPT tool works only when the system disk has 3 partitions or fewer. In my example, this disk has 4 partitions, which will cause the conversion to fail. Now open the Start menu. Search for Command Prompt. Right-click it and choose Run as Administrator. If your computer has multiple drives, first identify the correct disk number. DiskPart, press Enter. Now type List Disk. In my computer, there is only one drive, so it's disk 0. If you have multiple disks, remember the number of your Windows disk. Now type Exit to leave DiskPart. Next, run this command. mbr2gpt/disk:0/validate/allow full OS. Replace 0 with your own disk number if necessary. As you can see, the validation fails and displays an error because the disk contains more than 3 partitions. Don't worry, we'll fix it. Remove the extra partition. Minimize command prompt. Go back to File Explorer. If you have an additional data partition like a D drive, back up all important files first. You can copy them to an external drive or, if you have enough free space, move them temporarily to the C drive. Once your backup is complete, go to Disk Management, right-click the extra partition and choose Delete Volume. Now the disk meets the MBR2GPT requirement. If your disk already has only 3 partitions, your C drive uses all available space. Simply shrink the C drive by around 100 to 200 megabytes to create some unallocated space before continuing. Return to Command Prompt. Run the validation command again. mbr2gpt/disk:0/validate/allow full OS. This time, the validation completes successfully. Now we're ready to convert the disk. Run the following command. mbr2gpt/disk:0/convert/allow full OS. The conversion takes only a few moments. Once completed, your disk has been successfully converted from MBR to GPT without reinstalling Windows. Now restart your computer. Before Windows starts, enter your BIOS or UEFI settings. Change the boot mode from Legacy or CSM to UEFI. Save the settings and restart. Windows should now boot normally in UEFI mode. After Windows starts, open Disk Management again. You'll see the unallocated space where the old partition was. Create a new simple volume using that space. Then copy your backed up files back to the new partition. Sometimes, after the conversion, a small boot partition may receive a drive letter. If that happens, simply open Disk Management, right-click that small partition, select Change Drive Letter and Paths, and remove the drive letter. This keeps the boot partition hidden, just as it should be. And that's it! You've successfully converted your Windows installation from MBR to GPT using Command Prompt without reinstalling Windows. If this video helped you, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and press the notification bell for more Windows tips and troubleshooting guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.